Simplify the expression a plus 1 over 3 minus 2a plus 1 over 4.
We first need to find the common denominator and distribute the expression.
And there you have it.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.